I wanted to talk to you about goals and how you set goals specifically, because I want to share with you a different way of setting goals and a different way of looking at goals. You see, the challenge I think that most people make is that they look at the end result that they want as the goal, right? So let's say you want to lose 100 pounds, right? You say, what's your goal? To lose 100 pounds. By when? 8 months from now. Okay, you're specific, you set a date, you scheduled it, now you have to envision yourself losing that 100 pounds and all that other good stuff. Now that's the way normally people tell you to set goals, right? That's the way this personal development world, set a goal, be specific, assign it a date, all that good stuff. And there's nothing wrong with that. Like I'm all for that stuff, but I just want to kind of share with you a different way of looking at it. I don't actually look at my goals like that. I don't. What I do is instead is I do this. I work backwards. So I start with the end in mind, right? And then I work backwards and I get to the point where I'm asking myself the question, and this is important, what daily action steps do I have to take in order to reach the goal? So if my goal was to lose 100 pounds, then the daily action steps I have to take are basically two things. Number one, I have to eat healthy. And number two, I have to go to the gym, right? And work out. That's it. That's all it freaking comes down to, right? That's all it comes down to. Did I eat, relatively healthy today as far as the calories I took into my body, if that's good English, and the amount of calories I took into my body? And number two, did I go to the gym and work out hard? That is what it takes, right? It's doing that consistently that gets you to where you want to be. So what I think, I'll say it this way, what my goal is, the way I look at goals, is to say, my goal is to win today. My goal isn't to lose 100 pounds. My goal is to win today. So, because it's a lot easier to win for one day. It's a lot easier to just win. Can you win today? I can win today. Sure. Great. That's it. That's the entire goal. Okay? What's your goal today, Devon? To eat well and to go to the gym and work out. And if I do that, then yay, I win. Okay? That's it. To win today. Because if I have enough days where I win in a row, then I've created a habit. And it is the quality of our habits that get us what we want eventually. Okay? So that's the real goal as far as the way I look at it. So I'm going to suggest you do this. Maybe your goal is to make, $1 per person this month from your email list, right? So maybe you have an email list of 5,000 people and your goal this month is to make $5,000 from that list. Well, cool. Well, let's work backwards and break that down. Well, what are we going to have to do? Well, we're going to have to email our list a minimum of X amount of times a week, right? That's the first thing we're going to have to do. And the second thing we're going to have to do is we're going to have to email offers. We're going to have a mix of offers in there, some of which have the ability to maybe we're offering some high ticket stuff, right? So we can make one sale and get really close to our goal. So the end result we're looking for may be to make $5,000 in a month, but my suggestion is that your goal is to win today. And if you do the action steps, regardless of the outcome of those action steps, if you do the action step today, then you win and you've met the goal today. Did you email your list today? Yes? Congratulations, you won. Right? Did you eat healthy today? And did you go to the gym and work out? Yes, and congratulations, you won. Because here's the thing. Sometimes we do the right thing and we don't get the result we're looking for, right? There's days, or you could have like a week where you go to the gym every day and you eat healthy every day, right? And at the end of the week, you've actually gained a pound or two. Maybe it's water weight. Maybe it's that muscle weighs more than fat. And when we look at those results, sometimes we get a little discouraged. I emailed my list for an entire week. I didn't make any money. So then we stop doing it. So don't look at it that way. Just ask yourself if you took the action step today, and if you did, then you win. That's the goal. Take your action step today. Tara, does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay, cool. I hope that makes sense. Right? Try that. That's how I do my goals. I stop looking at end result and just pardon my French, fuck it. This is what I gotta do today. Let me just fucking do what I gotta do today. And I said, I do what I gotta do today. That's it. I win. But Devon, you mailed your list. You didn't make a sale. Doesn't matter. My goal was to mail my list today because I know if I do that consistently, I'm eventually gonna get what I want. I know if I keep swinging the bat, I'm gonna get what I want. I know if I keep going to the gym, I'm gonna eventually get what I want, even if right this second today it doesn't look like it. So I'm not worried about it today, or I'm not worried about the end result today. I'm just worried about me doing whatever action step I have to do today. That is my goal. And if I do that, I win. I hope that makes sense. Feel free to comment on this video if it made sense to you, or give me your thoughts. And yes, still keep the end result in mind, envision it, all that other good law of attraction stuff, do all that stuff as well. But tweak, my opinion, the way you look at your goals. All right? Like this video on it. If you like this video, if you found it helpful, comment on it if you have an opinion. Share it if you found it super helpful. That is all I got. I will talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.